Elephants never forget. This is common knowledge. Throughout their life, they create mental maps of the areas that they live in, and they log the locations of all the important resources that they need to survive. So for example, during a drought, they will remember exactly where to find fresh water, and the same goes for food. Another resource that they might log in this way are minerals. Much like the kudu and the zebra that we saw in the previous video, they do not obtain enough calcium, magnesium, zinc or iron from their diet, and so they'll often supplement their diet with a bit of soil from these mineral-rich deposits. In addition to the soil serving this purpose, this elephant has found out that if you press ever so lightly with your giant foot on a chunk of earth, it can be broken down into the perfect dust for a dust bath. The dust protects against insects and the sun. Since the grass was so tall and the bush so thick, we didn't have a very eventful trip in terms of lion sightings. It was, however, a very eventful week for the lions themselves. I'll give you a bit of context. At the time of our visit, I was very shocked to find out that the ruling males of the pride that we normally encounter had been displaced. In the northwest of the park, you will find the Tschaba Pride. The Tschaba Pride, for as long as I can remember, has been dominated by the Monomokolo and the Kwandwe. They are a powerhouse of a coalition. So to find out that they had been displaced by the Addo males was quite surprising and quite saddening, really. I quite liked the Monomokolo and the Kwandwe. What had happened was the Addos caught the Kwandwe male by himself and they sent him packing into the south. The Monomokolo followed his buddy and they met up and set up shop in the south of the park. The Addos, being young and naive, followed them to try and chase them even further away, and what ensued was a fatal battle.
They're killing him.
The Monomokolo and the Kwandwe killed one of the Addo males right there. This is during the time of our stay. Unfortunately, we couldn't see the events unfolding for ourselves, but while it was all happening, while the four males were having a go at each other in the south of the park, a sneaky, mysterious, unidentified young male with a quite dark mane was sniffing around the Tschaba Pride females. There are a number of options of who it could be, but the most likely candidate for who it is the eldest son of the Bolakhecha female. The first time we saw him, he was about this big, and he had 4 siblings. The second time we saw him, he was almost fully grown. He was already sporting a little bit of an adolescent mane. If this is that Bolakhecha son, then it's very, very awesome to see him. It's quite a fun story to think that we saw a cub start off at this size and then grow into a fully fledged nomadic male. So there you are. What happens next for the lions of the Tschaba Pride, the Monomokolo, the Kwandwe, the remaining Addo male, and this son of Bolakhecha? I don't know. It's a real privilege to get to visit the same place, to follow the lives in such detail. It would be fantastic if I can go back to Madikwe and to find out what has happened to the politics that is Madikwe lions. Unlike these ostriches, 6 days can really fly by when you're in the bush. And all too soon after it began, it was time for our trip to end. Leaving the bush is always a sad feeling, but I look forward to coming back here, hopefully sometime soon. If you've made it this far and you've watched all along, Thank you so much. It really is appreciated. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, to subscribe to the channel, and to tune in for all future videos. Thank you so much, and cheers.